Basic English Grammar, 2nd edition by Betty Scramfer-Azar. Using be and have. Noun plus is plus noun singular. Singular means one, not two or more. Noun plus are plus noun plural. Plural means two, three or more. Pronoun plus be plus noun. For singular, it's I am, you are, she is, he is, and it is. And for the plural, it was we are, you are, and they are. Contractions with be. I plus am, I am. I am a student. He or it plus is, it's, she's, his, and its. For example, she's a student. He's a student. It's a city. You, we, and they plus are your, we're, and their. For example, it's you're a student or your students. We're students and they're students. Negative with be. Tom is not or isn't a teacher. He is a student. Tom and Anne are not or aren't teachers. I am not a teacher. Be plus adjective. Noun plus be plus adjective. For example, a ball is round. Balls are round. Mary is intelligent. Mary and Tom are intelligent. Pronoun plus be plus adjective. For example, I am hungry. She is young. They are happy. Be plus location. For example, Maria is here. Bob was at the library. Yes, no questions with be. Example, is she a student? She is a student. Or, yes, she is. Are they at home? They are at home. Or, yes, they are. Questions with be using where. For example, where is the book? On the table. Where are the books? On the table. Using have and has. For I, you, we, they, using have. And for she, he, it, using has. Using my, your, his, her, our, and their. My, your, his, her, our, and their are called possessive adjectives. They come in front of nouns. Using this and that. For example, this book mean the book is near me, and that book mean the book is not near me. Using this and those. The singular is this and that, and for the plural it's this and those. Asking questions with what and who plus be. What asking about thing, and who asking about people. In questions with what and who, is followed by singular word and are is followed by plural word. Basic sentence structure. This section explains the fundamental structure of English sentence. Subject plus verb. For example, he runs. Subject plus verb plus object. For example, he eats apples. Subject plus verb plus complement. For example, they are happy. Verb tenses. One of the most comprehensive sections. Descriptive details. Present tense. Simple. For example, I walk. Progressive. For example, I am walking. Past tense. Simple. For example, I walk. Progressive. For example, I was walking. Future tense. Will and going to forms. Perfect tense Present perfect, example, I have walked. Past perfect, example, I had walked. And future perfect, example, I will have walked. Count and non-count nouns. This chapter explains count nouns singular, example, a book, and plural forms, example, books. Non-count nouns, words that cannot be pluralized, example, water, information. It also covers quantifiers, example, some, many, much, and how to correctly use them. Articles a, an, and the. Learners are taught the proper use of indefinite articles a, an for general or non-specific nouns. Definite article the for specific nouns. The rules for when articles are omitted, example with non-count nouns, are also explained. Modals and auxiliary verbs. This section focuses on modals expressing ability, permissions, necessity, or possibility. For example, can, must, should. Auxiliary verbs, helping verbs like do, be, and have used to form questions, negatives, and different tenses. Examples and exercise clarify how these verbs modify meanings. Adjectives and adverbs. The chapter explains adjectives, position before nouns, example, a red car, and after linking verbs, example, the car is red. Adverbs, modifying verbs, for example, she sings beautifully. Adjectives, for example, very tall, and other adverbs, for example, quiet slowly. Comparative and superlative forms, for example, better, the best, are also covered. Prepositions and prepositional phrases. The section details common preposition in, on, at, under, etc. Usage in time expressions, for example, on Monday at 5 p.m. and location, for example, in the box. Prepositional phrases, groups of words that start with a preposition, for example, on the table. Questions and negatives. The book guides learners in forming yes or no questions using auxiliary verbs. For example, do you like pizza? WH questions, starting with would, where, why, etc. For example, where do you live? Negative sentence, using not with auxiliary verbs. For example, I do not know. Special emphasis is given to word order and intonation. Pronouns. This topic covers subject pronouns, for example, I, they. Object pronouns, for example, me, them. Possessive pronouns, for example, mine, yours. Reflexive pronouns, for example, myself, themselves. The book explains how to avoid common errors in pronoun usage and agreement. That's all from me, guys. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.